Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Nano Tape Bubble is probably one of the most fascinating and fun gadgets to hit the market in recent years, offering a unique blend of stress relief, creative play, and even a touch of DIY magic that has captured the attention of people of all ages. This innovative product, made from a special kind of reusable nano tape, allows you to create mesmerizing, long-lasting bubbles that can be stretched, molded, and even stuck together to form intricate structures, providing hours of entertainment and a satisfying sensory experience that's hard to put down. Whether you're looking for a way to unwind after a long day, a novel activity to share with friends and family, or simply a way to explore your creative side, this tape offers a simple yet captivating way to do it all. Number 5. Ohayooz Extra Strong Double-Sided Tape. Introducing Ohayooz Extra Strong Double-Sided Tape, engineered for heavy-duty performance. Its advanced nanopore technology provides superior grip, holding up to 3 pounds. This tape offers exceptional transparency, acting as a powerful alternative to screws and nails. It adheres strongly without damaging surfaces, leaving no trace behind. Easily cut to your desired size, this tape simplifies any mounting job. Just apply, press, and experience its incredible hold. It's as easy to apply as it is to remove. Worried about damage or residue? This tape removes cleanly, leaving your walls and surfaces pristine. A quick blast with a hairdryer makes removal a breeze. Perfect for any smooth surface in your home, from the living room to the kitchen. Use it to hang pictures, posters, carpets, decorations, and so much more. Don't discard it when it gets dirty. Simply wash this tape to restore its stickiness and reuse it again and again. It's a durable and eco-friendly solution. What we like? This tape boasts exceptional holding power, making it ideal for heavy-duty mounting tasks. If you're looking for a reliable way to hang pictures, posters, or even carpets without damaging your walls, this is the one. Its ability to be washed and reused also makes it an economical and eco-friendly choice for long-term use. What people say. The tape is super stretchy and can make big bubbles. It's easy to use and creates satisfying bubbles. The tape is reusable and holds its shape well for bubble blowing. Number 4. Nano Tape Bubble Kit for Kids. Discover the ultimate creative craft set that lets you shape amazing bubbles and stress relief toys. It's perfect for sparking imagination and endless fun. This kit comes with everything you need to create colorful, squishy bubbles. Add glitter, beads, or sequins to make your creations truly unique and personalized. Making these fun bubbles is simple. Just follow our easy steps, select the tape, add your fillers, seal, and heat. Then, blow your amazing bubbles. Looking for a unique birthday gift or a fun activity? This kit is ideal for kids aged 4 to 12, offering hours of creative play and satisfying squishy fun. We ensure you receive everything you need for a fantastic crafting experience. Check your kit upon arrival, and we'll quickly replace any missing items. Shop with confidence. What we like? Unleash your creativity with this fun kit designed for crafting unique stress relief toys. If you love DIY projects and enjoy adding sparkle to your creations, this is perfect for you. It's a fantastic way for kids to express themselves and create personalized fidget toys. What people say. The tape is very sticky and can be reused multiple times. It is easy to cut and shape, making it versatile for various uses. The tape creates fun bubbles that are satisfying to pop. Number 3. BENWIL Nano Tape Bubble Kit. Introducing the BENWIL Nano Tape Bubble Kit, a fun and creative craft set for kids. It's perfect for making squishy toys and unique bubble creations. This kit provides everything you need to create colorful squishy bubbles in various sizes. You can personalize your creations with glitter and beads for a truly unique touch. Making these squishy bubbles is simple with our step-by-step guide. Just follow a few easy steps, add your favorite fillers, and blow your own amazing bubbles. Looking for a birthday gift or a fun activity? This kit is ideal for children aged 4 to 12, offering hours of imaginative play and creative expression. We ensure you receive all the components for a great crafting experience. If anything is missing, we'll replace it quickly, so you can enjoy your purchase risk-free. What we like? This kit offers a highly creative outlet for making squishy bubbles and stress relief toys. If you're searching for a fun and engaging activity that allows for personalization with various fillers, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for kids who enjoy hands-on crafting and creating their own unique toys. What people say. The tape is easy to use and creates perfect bubbles every time. The bubbles are large and long-lasting, providing hours of entertainment. The tape is washable and reusable, making it an eco-friendly choice. Number 2. Nano Tape Bubble Kit. Introducing the Nano Tape Bubble Kit, a fun and engaging way to create amazing bubbles. This all-in-one set provides everything you need for endless DIY crafting. Feeling stressed? These squishy bubbles are perfect for anxiety relief and stress reduction. Simply squeeze and pop to find your calm and boost your mood. Get creative with colorful tapes, glitter, and stickers. Make unique bubbles and enjoy the satisfaction of DIY. It's a fantastic gift for kids of all ages. Craft with confidence. Our kit is made from safe, eco-friendly materials, ensuring a comfortable and worry-free experience for everyone. Looking for a great gift? This kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, parties, and more. It's a guaranteed hit for girls, boys, and kids who love to create. This comprehensive set comes with various tapes, balloon fillings, a balloon inflator, stickers, straws, and a spoon. All the accessories you need to start making bubbles right away. What we like. This set provides everything you need to create colorful and engaging bubbles for fun and stress relief. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit that includes not only the tape but also various fillings and an inflator, this is a great option. It's ideal for parties, as a gift, or for anyone needing a creative way to unwind. What people say. The tape is very sticky and holds well. It's easy to use and remove without leaving residue. The bubbles are fun and satisfying to pop. Number 1. Jimcii Nano Tape Bubble Kit. Discover the fun with our Nano Tape Bubble Kit. It's designed for endless entertainment and creativity for kids. Crafted from non-toxic, durable materials, this kit ensures a safe and enjoyable experience for the whole family. It's built to last for hours of play. Get creative with a variety of nano tape in different colors. You can make bubbles of all shapes and sizes, just the way you like them. Looking for a unique gift? This kit is ideal for birthdays and holidays, perfect for kids aged 4 to 12. It's a present they'll love. We want you to be completely happy with your purchase. If anything is missing upon arrival, please let us know, and we'll make it right quickly. What we like. Designed with safety and fun in mind, this kit uses non-toxic materials for worry-free crafting. If you're seeking a durable and safe option for a family activity or a gift for younger children, this is a solid choice. It provides a straightforward way to create colorful bubbles and enjoy quality time together. What people say. The tape is easy to use and creates satisfying bubbles. It's a fun and engaging activity for both kids and adults. The bubbles are durable and can be reused multiple times. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.